Hi everybody, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we will learn and understand what are the different formats of retail in India. Retail in India operates through a variety of formats ranging from traditional family-run stores to large organized chains and modern e-commerce platforms. Here is the breakdown of major retail formats in India along with examples. The first is traditional retail, which is also called as unorganized sector. In traditional retail, which is unorganized, we have kirana stores, which are also called as mom and pop stores, street markets, weekly bazaars, hawkers, and vendors who are selling on the streets. Let us discuss these. Kirana stores are the small stores which are found in the neighborhood. These are also called as mom and pop stores. These are small, family owned shops offering groceries and daily essentials. For example, we have a local neighborhood grocery stores which will sell all these essential items. Second format in traditional retail is street markets and weekly bazaars. These are the open markets which are selling fresh produce, that is, fruits and vegetables, clothes, and household items. For example, we have Sarojini Nagar Market in Delhi and Fashion Street in Churchgate, Mumbai. These are called as street markets. The third one in traditional retail is hawkers and street vendors. These are the small scale sellers offering food, clothes, or utility items on the streets. For example, street food vendors, mobile vegetable carts are example for hawkers and street vendors. So now we will discuss about the various formats in organized retail, which is also called as modern retail. We have supermarkets, hypermarkets, departmental stores, specialty stores, convenience stores, and shopping malls, which come under organized retail formats. Now let us discuss in detail. The first format in organized retail is supermarkets. These are the medium-sized self-service stores which offer food and non-food items. For example, in India we have many supermarkets such as Reliance Fresh, Reliance Smart, Nilgiris, 24/7, More Supermarket, to name some of them. The second format in organized retail is hypermarket. These are the large stores combining supermarket and department store features. These are the big stores which are spread over 30 to 35,000 square feet area. Examples for hypermarket are Reliance Market, Spar Hypermarket, D-Mart, and Star Bazaar. The format of organized retail sector is department store. These are the large retail stores which are divided into sections selling clothes, cosmetics, homeware, etc. For example, we have Shoppers Stop, Lifestyle, Pantaloons, Reliance Trends. All these are the examples for department stores. Department stores are usually 15 to 20,000 square feet area. The fourth format of organized retail sector is specialty stores. These are the stores which are focused on specific product categories like electronics, footwear, or apparels. For example, we have Chroma and Reliance Digital in electronics, Nike, Puma, and Skechers in sportswear and footwear, Lenskart in eyewear. These are the stores which are spread across 5 to 7,000 square feet area. So the fifth format in organized retail sector is convenience store. These are the small stores with extended working hours located in urban or residential areas. For example, 7-Eleven and Star Local Market are the example of convenience stores in India. Sixth format in organized retail is shopping malls. These are the large complex housing multiple retail outlets, food courts, and entertainment area. For example, Phoenix Market City in Mumbai, Bangalore, and In-Orbit Malls again in Mumbai, Bangalore, and other major cities are the examples for shopping malls in India. Malls are spread across 2 to 3 lakh square feet area, and they have anchor stores, multiplex, department stores, supermarkets and hypermarkets, and even entertainment areas such as time zone, etc. Apart from organized and unorganized retail, we have another format or another category which we can say electronic retail or online retail. In this, we have e-commerce platforms and vertical e-commerce. What are e-commerce platforms? These are the online platforms offering a wide range of products with a home delivery. For example, Amazon India, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Blinkit, and Zepto are the classic example for e-commerce platform. The second one is vertical e-commerce. These are the specialized online stores focusing only on specific categories. Examples for vertical e-commerce platforms are Myntra Fashion and Nykaa Beauty. So apart from organized, unorganized, and electronic retail, we have another two formats which are franchisee-based retail brands and direct selling and multi-level marketing. So let us understand what is franchisee-based retail. Here, the brands operate through franchise stores run by the third-party operators. For example, McDonald's, Domino's, Subway are the example for food service, and also Bata and Reebok are the franchisee-based retail stores which are operated in India. So the next is direct selling and multi-level marketing. In direct selling, the products are sold directly to the consumers, often through personal networks. For example, Amway, Oriflame, and Tupperware are the classic example for direct selling. So friends, this was a brief discussion about formats of retail in India. If you have found this video useful, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get such more updates in the future. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.